This is the 19th question from the Digital SAT Test 3 Module 1. Number 19 is asking about the conventions of standard English. When that's a question, you always want to look at the answer choices first. When you look at the answer choices, notice they all start differently. That is an indication of modification word order. What do I mean by that? We're going to read from named. Named in 1999 as one of the greatest achievements by U.S. chemists in the past 100 years. So what follows a comma has to be what the achievement is. Julian's not an achievement, 1935 is not an achievement, and the alkaloid is not an achievement. It's his synthesis of the alkaloid that's the achievement. C is your answer. To see the full-length video, check us out on YouTube. Go to IB Masters Learning Center, the playlist. You'll see that the longer videos are just above the shorter videos once you find Test 3 Module 1. Click subscribe and check out this other video up here on modification word order. Have a great day.